Let me show you how to enable low latency mode on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. So if you feel that the delay is too much, before the audio signal, for example, from your phone arrives to your earphones, we can actually increase responsiveness of them. If you have a Samsung phone, you simply go in your phone settings and you see you can click on them here. If you do not have a Samsung phone, you will need to download the Galaxy Wearable app. So in the Play Store, simply search for this Galaxy Wearable app and make sure to download it. But I'm going to go simply over here. And as you see in the advanced features, labs, I see you have this gaming mode that you can enable. So again, it will reduce the latency and improve the response times essentially. Also over here in the sound quality and effects, in the advanced quality options, also make sure you have this ultra high quality audio also disabled. That also kind of delays them even more if you have that. Okay,